My piece of shit's waiting for parts, so he brought his piece of shit. And we'll make it a piece of art.
Sure. No.
I was wearing this shirt earlier in a video, so if you saw me wearing this shirt like in a video from days before, don't think I don't change or shower for days on it.
Shower.
It's true, I don't.
Reeks from here.
What are we doing to this thing?
Chain, sprocket, air filter. We're rejetting it because somebody lets my carburetor fall out mid-ride.
I didn't do that. I want to try something though real quick. You think we go for low heat or high heat?
High heat.
Oh, we're getting something. Look at that.
What?
Oh, it's taking that white out.
They're melting it a little bit.
That's exactly what we're doing. We're 100% melting it slightly. Dude, this is impressive. I like how I'm doing this right over dirt and other things too. All right.
We're melting the dirt into the plastic.
A little bit, but whatever. Hey, that's
not bad. Real
some
fine.
like 1000 grit or
Yeah.
something.
Real
Worked
fine.
it. Oh, we could totally bring this back. Hey, what size shirt do you wear? Get some of the wrinkles out of it.
What if this will melt a hole in it? Oh, that's warm. What if I can melt a hole in it?
Well, I mean, I'm sure you can. Let's not do. Stop! Whoa, it looks really good though, right there when you did that. Oh my god!
What it's doing? Look at
Oh. Is it? You gotta like hold the can so you can see the can and be like, I like Red Bull and Red Pigs.
I like Red Bull and big fat red pigs.
Oh. My WR250 is the greatest.
I can outrun Graham Jaws.
Hey guys, be sure to get your Bay Area Supermoto hats from Bay Area Supermotos.
Watch the Patreon version, and you'll get to hear us talk for like 30 minutes.
Not about Bay Area though, or maybe we are. Find out.
Find out. Patreon version.
So you want to cut part of the subframe? What?
I want to burn your house down.
Oh, it's okay. I'm just renting it.
Oh, okay.
That actually looks pretty good.
We poke it 15 times before we get the right time. And I see it at the top. Okay.
All right. He needs to drill a hole in the frame, so he marked it by knocking the dirt out of the way. Okay. Jesus Christ, there. We wanted to make sure we before we just cut here. We got to make sure we know what it goes to.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Black to black, red to green. There's a fly on your shirt.
Get it off.
What would you do
For a Klondike bar. I would kill a man.
Now's the part where we plug it in and it doesn't work at all.
Running light. Brake light.
Yeah, because like that looks super cool because it's hilariously low profile, but like you seriously can't see that tail light right now. Now, if you're actually a vehicle behind this, I think if your registration sounds like crap, you're not in reverse, are you? Make that face again.
Yeah.
We were gonna go right through your hand.
I know, right?
What do you do again?
I'm an engineer. Design engineer. Oh, we're gonna countersink a man.
You're just gonna tighten it up and up till it sinks itself, aren't you?
You're a mechanic. And I'm an engineer.
An engineer. Hey, look, here's one. This is a Polaris bolt. I used to put roll cages on the Polarises, and the Polaris stock would use this kind of bronze-looking Allen bolt, but they don't come with any spares. Yet my toolbox is full of tons of those things.
Told you it's a countersink, bruh.
Watch your eyes.
Matter. Got another one.
Let's see how loose your chain is. Let's see if we can just.
Chain is done, dude.
This is for cars. Put a little sideways pressure on it so I can get it out. I'm an engineer too. And you're going to a 50 tooth because bike life, right?
I think I'm gonna top out at like 75.
I punched my sprocket.
Look, show them the other side. Told you, it's a duct tape Band-Aid. Yay! Nicolai, how close is that to the chain guide over there? Is it gonna have to cut a groove?
We'll just let it cut a groove.
Want me to go through the pound of dirt right there?
Yep.
Okay.
Dirt back. It's supposed to be with dirt. That there hammer.
You don't need to
Hang that thing on.
push it with your hand, it'll probably go. Keep hammer fisting it. I can see it.
You need a hammer.
You should not be using a hammer.
What? I already got it in, dude.
Well, I already brought it, so. Yeah, well, once there's a chain in there, Jesus Christ.
Plastic, it'll cut a groove.
That's only 2 right there. Look, two's actually not bad. Maybe 3 links off is like. Hey!
2 hours later.
It got dark out of nowhere.
Did a lot of stupid shit in between.
I ordered pizza. That wasn't so dumb. Look at these f***ing plastics now. He went ahead and hit the whole thing up. Like it's
Not bad.
yeah. Super.
Terrible.
It's super reasonable now. Is that the official tool you use to hold that down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the Kung Fu grip. Comes with the limited edition model.
Good man. I like how easy this is to put down. Just gotta put just a little bit, you know, just a little bit. Yep, yep, it is. Like a boss. All right, that's fun. Let's go eat some pizza, dude. We got pizza inside.
Okay.
Time to get fat. Hey, I've not eaten all day. Fuck you.